Hey guys, so Redmi launched the Redmi Note 12 Pro Speed Edition in China. It is the fourth device in the Note 12 lineup that consists of the Pro version, Pro Plus version, and the Discovery Edition variants. The device is offered in different beautiful colors: shimmer green, time blue, and midnight black, and it comes in three different variants as well: a 6GB RAM and 128GB option that is priced at around $243, an 8GB RAM and 256GB option that is priced at around $258, and a 12GB RAM and 256GB configuration that is priced at around $287. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the top features of the Redmi Note 12 Pro Speed Edition. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So let's dive into it. So the Speed Edition features a 6.67-inch center-aligned hole-punch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. The resolution is of course Full HD+. It has a peak brightness of 900 nits and it supports HDR10+. With these display features, I expect the Redmi Note 12 Pro Speed Edition to provide a good visual experience for activities such as watching movies or playing games. It also supports Dolby Atmos stereo speakers, which should also provide high quality audio. It has a side-mounted fingerprint scanner. At the back, the device has a rectangular shaped camera module that contains three cameras: a 108MP primary camera, 8MP ultra-wide, and 2MP macro lens. The hole punch houses a 16MP front-facing selfie camera. It runs on the MIUI 14 based Android 12 right out of the box. The device is equipped with the Snapdragon 778G processor, which is a mid-range processor that should provide good performance for most tasks. And like I mentioned earlier, the device is available in three different configurations, with the highest being 12GB of RAM and 256GB onboard storage. There's also a 12-layer cooling system that should help to keep the device running smoothly and prevent overheating. The device is backed by a 5000 mAh battery with 67 watts fast charging, which should provide good battery life and allow for quick charging when needed. The device also supports Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2, which should be able to provide fast and stable connectivity. Overall, the Redmi Note 12 Pro Speed Edition appears to be a well-rounded smartphone with a mix of high-end features and mid-range performance. Like I mentioned earlier, the device is currently available in China. I don't know when the device will be launched globally or if the device will be launched globally. But with that said, the Redmi Note 12 Pro Speed Edition is definitely one of the best mid-range smartphones of 2022, and of course it's going to be also one of the best mid-range smartphones of 2023. Share your thoughts about the Redmi Note 12 Pro Speed Edition in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.